So, in food and nutrition class, today we are going to talk about important topic, that is protein. Okay. So, in previous class, we discussed about carbohydrates, importance of carbohydrate, and diet of carbohydrates, essential food which have carbohydrates, how much amount you have to take, daily requirement, RDA, recommended daily allowance, and uh, BMR also we learned in previous class. So we will discuss about protein. So in that we will discuss about composition, types of proteins, and function of proteins, and product which have proteins, food, and daily requirement. Okay. So everything we will discuss one by one. First is composition, very important. Protein. Protein compositions are they are large molecules. What are the large molecules? First thing. Okay. Second is they are made up of amino acids. Okay, amino acids. So if you go more deeper in the amino acid will get four types of elements. One is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. So in these amino acids we have four types of four types of elements are there: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. In some amino acids, in place of nitrogen you will get sulfur also. Okay, so this is the basic chain of amino acids, and amino acids, if they combine together and form one protein. Okay, in the one protein you will get mostly 20 to 20, in some books they have 22, in some books there are 24 amino acids. How much? 20 to 20, 20 to 24 amino acids. Okay, why body need amino acids? Because of structure, to maintain structure. If you want to maintain the structure, you need amino acids. Means amino acid means proteins. Why do you need protein? To maintain normal function of body normally. Third, why you need protein? It is regulation of body tissues. Means the dead, in the place of dead tissue you need to replace healthy tissue. Okay, so that's the reason you need protein. Okay, regulation of the body's tissue and organs. So if you doesn't have proper protein, what will happen? The body structure can't be regularized in proper manner. The function will be decreased and the structure will be changed. So that's the reason protein is an essential nutrition to our body. So this is very important nutrition to our body. Okay. So we learn about amino acids. Okay. In the amino acid, we have oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and carbon. In the place of nitrogen, some amino acids you will get sulfur. Okay. Next is types of amino acids. There are three types of amino acids. They have three types of amino acids. First is essential amino acids. Second is non-essential. amino acids, and third is conditionally non-essential or synthetic, semi-synthetic, a semi non-essential amino acid, non-essential, synthetic, or conditional amino acids. So what is different between essential, non-essential, synthetic, and conditional synthetic amino acids? Essential amino acid is required to the body, but the source is not present in the body. You have to take outside, from the outside. Outside. The source is outside. Source is outside, from outside. In non-essential, you will not get from outside. Body will produce it. It is also essential, important to our body, but it is not getting from outside. That's the reason we are calling non-essential amino acids. Okay. And synthetic or conditional essential amino acids, sometimes you will need by the body in some condition. Okay. You will need some condition. Okay. So we have essential amino acid, we have non-essential amino acids, and synthetic and conditional essential amino acids. Sorry. So basically, essential amino acid means it's source from outside, required by the body. Non-essential amino acids means body will make. Okay, it will not. The source is not from outside, but it is also important. Essential or synthetic conditional means. But whenever you required that, like stress condition or any damage, anything happen, your body will release. Okay. So this is our, we have essential or synthetic or conditional amino acids. So what are those? Let's discuss. First is essential amino acid. In the essential amino acid, we have histidine, histidine, and second one is isoleucine, leucine, okay, lysine, meth, methionine, okay, and we have phenylalanine, phenylalanine, and we have threonine and tryptohan, okay, and valine. So these are the essential amino acids you will get from outside of the body. Outsource is from the outside. And we have non-essential, it will produce by the body, alanine and asparagine, and we have aspartate, and we have glutamate, sorry, not glutamine, and have serine. These are the non-essential, and we have synthetic or conditional non-essential amino acids. So are arginine and cysteine, glutamine, glutamate there, glutamine here. Okay, glutamine, glycine, proline, tyrosine. Okay, these are non-essential, conditional, or synthetic amino acids. Okay, so So we'll discuss here essential, not all. All things are covered in biochemistry. Okay. But here we'll discuss essential amino acid. Those are eight, mostly eight. Then six, seven, eight. Oh, sorry, nine. But we are discussing only eight. If possible, we'll discuss all. Okay. So essential eight essential amino acids. One is phena, phenylalanine, phenylalanine. Okay, phenylalanine. Okay. ये it is very important. Why important? We have neurotransmitter. I think you know that neurotransmitter. Okay, neurotransmitter required this type of protein or amino acids. Like we have tyrosine, dopamine, epinephrine. Okay, and norepinephrine. These are essential for heart rate, everything. Dopamine for mood, everything. Okay, so if you have proper amount of phenylalanine, then only this type of amino acids will help to to maintain the structure and function of these neurotransmitters. Okay, so this is very important. Phenylalanine for neurotransmitter function and structure. To maintain function, to maintain structure. So we need daily function of this neurotransmitter. Without this, we can't function, can't do anything. So there's the reason we need phenylalanine. Okay, to build the neurotransmitter function and structure. Okay. Next is second type of essential amino acid. This is valine. Why we need valine? Valine is for growth of muscle and regeneration of muscle. If there is any muscle loss, means there is required of valine in our body, and as well as energy production. Energy production. So overall, valine is important for muscle health, muscle to grow the muscle, to regenerate the muscle, to give the energy to the muscle. Okay, so this is very. So phenylalanine for neurotransmitters, valine for muscle growth. Very important. Next is we have third important, that is threonine. Threonine. Why you required? It is required for fat metabolism and immune function. So our protein need for immune function. Okay. Okay. So for metabolism, fat metabolism, and immune function, you need threonine. Very important. And fourth one is tryptophan. Okay. Tryptophan. Tryptophan. Why this is also to maintain the regulation of mood, sleep, and appetite. So to maintain all this, we need again hormones or neurotransmitters. So again, its function is also for to maintain hormones and neurotransmitters, and as well as along with vitamin D3, because it produce what it will do, it will produce niacin, thyroxine, tryptophan will produce niacin. This is vitamin B3. So it is the vitamin B3 is important for DNA reproduction and repair. Why we need vitamin D3? For DNA production and repair of DNA also. So if a person having any type of DNA related issues or any type of issues, so what we have to advise him? Tryptophan, which is present in the food, because it will produce niacin. And if you want to mood, sleep, appetite, that is because of the hormones or neurotransmitters. Both need a tryptophan. Okay, fourth type of uh, amino acid. The fifth is isoleucine. Isoleucine. Okay, why you need isoleucine? This is for muscle metabolism, immune function. Okay, and hemoglobin production and energy regulation. So all this function need isoleucine. Okay, so for metabolism, muscle metabolism, okay, immune function, hemoglobin production, energy regulation. So we need isoleucine. Very important. Okay. Next, sixth one, that is leucine. Why you need leucine? Leucine's very important for muscle repair and regulation of blood sugar levels. Very important. Okay. So because it also important for growth hormone production. So growth hormone, if a person's growth is not happening, so it means growth hormones are not functioning properly. So we need to improve the growth production. So we need leucine and wound healing also. So if wound healing is not happening properly, it means any issue in the leucine or amino acids. Okay. Next is important. This seventh one, that is lysine. Lysine. What it will do? It will having protein synthesis again. It will produce the protein, means the important non-essential amino acids, hormones. Okay, and we have enzymes. It will produce enzymes also, and the absorption of calcium. So with the help of lysine, it will produce some type of things, and it will amino acids. So what will happen? Calcium will absorb properly. Because of calcium, we will get the energy, immune function, production of collagen and elastin. Very important. So we need lysine. Next important is methionine. Methionine. Methionine is help for detoxification. Detoxification and to build the tissue. We need methionine. Okay. So in the methionine, in the place of nitrogen, we have sulfur. Okay. It will produce one type of antioxidant, that is glutathione. Glutathione antioxidant means it will wash the body. It will remove the detoxification. Okay. So the source will talk about tomorrow. The eight essential amino acid is present in which food will get this type of amino acids, like phenylalanine will get in the meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, and it is the animal source. We will discuss tomorrow in detail. Plant source also soya products, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, etc. have amino acids. Okay. So this is all about the protein. Definition of protein we learned, composition and different types of essential, non-essential amino acids, and amino acids essential we learned today. Any doubts? Kindly ask.